Hi guys, Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of August 2nd, 2011. As always, the charts I use come from the Trade Navigators software. The first chart we'll look at is our weekly bonds, and you can see bonds open just above the 127.20 area here this week, and then just took off, blew through 129.20, and they're right up in the area of the previous highs from 2010 here, over 131, just over 131. There's no reason they can't continue higher. I think they're voting on how much they like the debt ceiling work that Congress did. But you wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a back off here, at least turn back down into this area somewhere, back to the maybe the 129.20 area. But anything you selling into a high momentum move like this is you'd be looking just for a little pop because clearly the trend is up and there really is no limit to how high they can go, and you really don't want to try to make a living selling new highs. Moving into the stock market, which looks pretty much just the opposite. They've broken down pretty hard this week. 1290 didn't matter to them. 1265 didn't hold them, and they're down in the 1250 area, which is these previous swing lows here. They could even go down here. This is, I believe, 1238 in this area, and you would expect somewhere between 1250 and 1238 that there ought to be a bit of a bounce. I mean, I could see them swinging back up here into the 1275, 1285 area at minimum, and they could actually go quite a bit higher, maybe even 1315 or so. But I think this is the time you should expect some sort of bounce. They've been down hard couple of weeks here. I think it took pretty much 8 days straight, and might be time for a little bounce. But again, all we're looking for is a bounce there because the momentum is clearly down. And oh, by the way, after all this debt ceiling crap is over with, we will be looking at the monthly employment report at the end of this week. And believe it or not, what's going on in the U.S. economy still matters to these markets. So that's about all we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking and see what we think, and good luck to you.